win.
Shimmy, shimmy, you shimmy ya, drank, swallow la la.
Yeah, man, check out this dope shit. Like, yeah.
Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave. Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave.
There's a version, boy, don't get nervous. I'm here to serve you customer service. I say dick back giving it CPR. I say dick back giving it CPR. F-I-E-N-D-S. We're just friends, so don't go look at me with that.
So if you see me IRL, don't call me that again.
Now skip to my loo. Jersey, do 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 do. Oh my God, Leah, what the fuck? Leah, do the running man again.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow bow bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow bow bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow bow bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga. Притвориться летящим. Предпокатываюсь опять кувырком, а я остаюсь дурак дураком. И я продолжаю терять и врать, и я продолжаю не умирать. На азбуке мог завернуть звонков на азбуке.
up, babes? I got a quick selfie with everybody. Love yourself, don't hate others. You do what you want. Culture kind of crazy, bro. I don't join them. I do whatever the fuck I want.
I don't know where she went. I don't know.
Here's the dragon puppet tutorial you've all been waiting for. So when I'm drawing, I like to use Procreate. A free alternative to it would be Ibis Paint X. It's completely free and works just as well. Whenever I'm drawing, I always like to start out with a sketch, and I always make sure that the sketch fills up the entire page. Then I continue with the inking, and then I color it in. I'll make another video on how to make the eye, as I've been asked many times how do I make the eyes for my dragon puppets. Now you save your drawing. Then what you do is you send your drawing to your laptop. The way I just do it is by airdropping, since I have an Apple computer and an Apple iPad. Now what you do is you can open up an application that you can use to print anything off. I like to use Pages. So what you do is you go here to Photos, and you simply just drag and drop. Next, what you want to do is you want to make your drawing as big as you possibly can without cutting any bits off, just like that. Next, what you do is you do Command P on the keyboard. And that should pop up, and that's your printing thing. Now this part is a little bit more important, but you're going to only want to print off one copy. Now what you want to do is you want to go over to this window here and go to Arrange and go down to Flip, and you just want to flip the image over, because if you just print it off with the same side, you're only just going to get 2 of these. And let's print this puppy off. So now we have both sides printed off, and it should look like this. I'll be making a part 2 on how to cut these out. I do it in a very specific way. Please like and follow for part 2.
Free paper dragon ideas. Plus accessories for them. Enjoy.
part 2. Let's finish this thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Fazbear Entertainment would like you to put your hands together for the one, the only, Freddy Fazbear.
Whoa, my God. You're my favorite color. Oh my goodness. Hi. That is so crazy. Oh, that heavy was an extension. You're so tall. Oh my goodness. Are you wearing a 360 camera? Are you gonna post it on TikTok? That is so cool.